Hi everyone, and welcome to Search Labs. Today, I'm going to be sharing 10 tips for ranking higher in YouTube search results. Tip 1. Do your keyword research. When doing your keyword research, it's important to focus on keywords that are relevant to your video and that have a good search volume. You can use tools like Google Keyword Planner and YouTube Keyword Tool to help you with this. Here are some tips for doing effective keyword research. Identify your target audience. Who are you making your videos for? What are they interested in? Once you know your target audience, you can start to identify the keywords that they are using to search for videos on your topic. Use keyword tools. There are a number of keyword tools available that can help you to identify relevant keywords and estimate their search volume. Consider long-tail keywords. Long-tail keywords are more specific keywords that have lower search volumes. However, they are also less competitive, which means that it's easier to rank for them. Use niche keywords. Niche keywords are keywords that are very specific to your topic. They may have very low search volumes, but they can be very effective for targeting a specific audience. Tip 2. Create high-quality videos. When creating your videos, make sure to use good lighting and sound, and to edit your videos carefully. You should also focus on creating videos that are relevant to your audience and that provide value. Here are some tips for creating high-quality videos. Use good lighting and sound. This will make your videos more visually appealing and easier to watch. Edit your videos carefully. This will help to remove any mistakes and to make your videos more engaging. Create videos that are relevant to your audience. What are they interested in? What do they need to know? Focus on providing value. Your videos should be informative and helpful to your viewers. Tip 3. Optimize your video titles. Your video title is the first thing that people will see when they search for your video, so it's important to make sure that it's catchy and informative. Here are some tips for optimizing your video titles. Include your target keywords in your title. This will help people to find your video when they search for those keywords. Make your title clear and concise. People should be able to understand what your video is about from the title alone. Use strong verbs and keywords. This will make your title more attention-grabbing. Keep your title short and to the point. People are more likely to click on a video with a short and concise title. Tip 4. Optimize your video description. Your video description is another important part of your video SEO. It's where you can provide more information about your video and include additional keywords. Here are some tips for optimizing your video description. Include your target keywords throughout your description. But don't keyword stuff. This means using your keywords naturally and in a way that makes sense. Write a description that is informative and engaging. Encourage people to watch your video by telling them what they'll learn or how they'll benefit from watching it. Use strong verbs and keywords. This will make your description more attention-grabbing. Include a call to action. Tell people what you want them to do after watching your video, such as subscribing to your channel or visiting your website. Tip 5. Add relevant tags. Tags are another way to help people find your videos in YouTube search results. When adding tags, be sure to include your target keywords as well as other relevant keywords. Here are some tips for adding relevant tags. Include your target keywords in your tags. This is the most important thing. Add a variety of tags, including long-tail keywords and niche keywords. This will help to ensure that your videos are seen by people who are interested in your topic. Use relevant keywords that people are likely to use when searching for videos on your topic. You can use keyword research tools to help you with this. Tip 6. Promote your videos on social media. In addition to optimizing your videos for YouTube search, you should also promote your videos on social media. This will help to get your videos seen by more people and to increase your chances of ranking higher in search results. Here are some tips for promoting your videos on social media. Share your videos on your social media channels. Include a catchy title and a brief description of your video. Use relevant hashtags. This will help people to find your videos when they search for those hashtags. Tip 7. Get backlinks to your videos. Backlinks are links from other websites to your videos. Backlinks are a signal to YouTube that your videos are high quality and that they are worth ranking. Here are some tips for getting backlinks to your videos. Submit your videos to directories. There are a number of directories that allow you to submit your videos. This is a great way to get your videos seen by more people and to get backlinks from other websites. Guest blog on other websites. Guest blogging is a great way to get backlinks to your videos. When you guest blog, you write an article for another website and include a link to one of your videos in the article. Create infographics and other content that links back to your videos. Infographics and other content are a great way to get backlinks to your videos. When you create this content, be sure to include a link to one of your videos in the content. Tip 8. Publish new videos regularly. The more videos you publish, the more opportunities you have to rank in YouTube search results. Try to publish new videos on a regular schedule, such as once a week or once a month. Here are some tips for publishing new videos regularly. Create a content calendar. This will help you to plan out your videos and to ensure that you are publishing new videos on a regular schedule. Set aside time each week to create new videos. This will help you to stay on track and to publish new videos on time. Use a video editing software to create your videos. There are a number of free and paid video editing software programs available. Tip 9. Engage with your audience. YouTube also considers audience engagement when ranking videos. This means that it's important to respond to comments on your videos and to interact with your viewers on social media. Here are some tips for engaging with your audience. Respond to comments on your videos. This shows your viewers that you care about their feedback and that you are interested in interacting with them. Ask questions in your videos. This encourages your viewers to leave comments and to participate in the conversation. Promote your videos on social media. This will help you to get more people to watch your videos and to engage with your content. Tip 10. Use end screens and cards. End screens and cards are overlay elements that you can add to your videos to promote other videos on your channel or to direct viewers to your website or social media pages. Using end screens and cards is a great way to increase engagement and to drive traffic to other parts of your channel. Here are some tips for using end screens and cards. Add end screens and cards to all of your videos. This will help you to promote your other videos and to drive traffic to other parts of your channel. Make sure your end screens and cards are relevant to your video. This will help you to keep your viewers engaged and to encourage them to click on your links. Use eye-catching images and text in your end screens and cards. This will help to grab your viewers' attention and encourage them to click on your links. By following these tips, you can improve your chances of ranking higher in YouTube search results and getting more views on your videos. Remember, it takes time and effort to rank well in YouTube search results. But if you consistently create high-quality videos and promote them effectively, you will eventually see results. Don't forget to subscribe Search Labs for more interesting contents.